Hi, I'm John Lanigan, Executive Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer for Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Company, headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas. We're a 40,000 employee company with revenues of about $20 billion. We haul more freight than any other railroad in the United States, and we happen to be owned by Warren Buffett. About 10 years after I finished my undergrad, which was from the U.S. Coast Guard Academy, I was assigned here in the Cleveland area to be a terminal manager in the trucking industry, and decided I wanted to get my MBA. And I checked out all the schools in Northeast Ohio, and the one that really appealed to me the most was BW. There's a couple aspects to the BW MBA program that really worked for me. One was the size of the class, 20 to 25 students at the most, and I got to know people from a lot of different walks of life. My fellow students were from every segment of the economy in Northeast Ohio. The other piece that really worked for me was the team building aspect of the program. Almost every course I took had some sort of a group project in it. And so I think I really enhanced my team work and team building skills at BW. Well, I think one of the things at BW that might be a little different than other schools is the emphasis on ethical leadership as well. There have been so many scandals in the business world over the last decade or two that if you think about being an effective leader, part of it is modeling the way. It's really a different world today, and with social media, with the availability of information, if you stumble, people will know. And so it's really, really critical to think about doing the right things the right way, and I think BW helps lay that foundation.